Jagoro mongere migao mari Dr. Raymond Omollo koro nyiso luoro ni nitiere kata ni tiyo gi mbui kod keyo weche e yo ma oko podhi ema jimbo kweth moko makoch e thur kae. Omollo bende oseyo nok mar thuolo mag tije pachoka kaka achiel kuom gigo ma jiwo medruok mag kweth ma kamago. Kata kamano olero ni piny owacho oseketo kenge mag geng'o weche manyalo siko kaluwore kod fuok ma kamago. Owuoyo kinde chenro mar sidha yanga romo magao timbe maundu kod timbe makoch e pachoka.
And so when we speak about the importance of involving the youth, it's not just on this floor. Wi-Fi is also available.
The peace-building architecture outlines specific violent extremist risks, including conflicts related to identity and politics, exposure to extremist ideologies, and sensationalist coverage through online and media platforms. And this has become a new frontier for propagating extremism based on what people either believe or what people perceive as what would be areas of grievances.
Besides the societal and community level, the individual dimension is also key. By empowering young people through skills training, entrepreneurship, mentorship, in promoting inclusive dialogue, development actions not only meet the immediate needs, but also the drivers and the root causes of extremism and conflict.
It's a testament of a shared commitment to sustainable development, conflict prevention, and good governance that we are all here today, and we have been able to develop this joint program. It's important to create opportunities for the growing youth population in East Africa, often referred to as the youth bulk. Both Zeno and also moderator talked about young people are looking for jobs, they're looking for opportunities, and we need to help them to find these opportunities.